building a culture here. We're building in our employees, making it a place where they want to work, where they're happy working, want it to be a family, and to give people the opportunities to grow their skills and to be in new areas and to really contribute to something cool. I'm really excited to be part of a larger organization. It's really great to be able to pull on the strengths of others who have expertise in ways that they're willing to share and want to help out to each other. We have a motto in Cedar City called Better Every Day, and you hear people talk about that all the time. It's the process that's important, and we want to be a little bit better every day. And if we can do that, then we'll do great things.